Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest EV news, and it does mention Lucid Motors and Ford Motor Company. I'm going to be explaining this, some very nice, interesting news. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. But most importantly, we are starting to see some life in the LCID stock. Will this continue? We will be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, you know what to do. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. It'll help with that YouTube algorithm. But don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. Share this page with others, with your friends, family, coworkers, next door neighbor, so we can continue to move this channel upwards. But also, I do want to give you a chance to get a free stock. Right now, using my link down below, I can get you a free Lucid stock using my link down below to Moomoo. But stay until the very end of this video, and I'll also tell you how you can get a potential of $17,500 in free stocks. Huge opportunities. I would like you to take advantage of that. But without further ado, I did want to just talk to you about some very big news that we have heard about. So Inside EVs has just released a big report that they have received some spy photos of a Ford Motor Company in Dearborn, Michigan, where they are producing the Mach-E vehicle. They have actually spotted a Lucid Air Dream edition. It is the long range edition with the 19-inch wheels. They have now spotted this, and there are 3 people that are looking over this, taking notes. This is huge because could Ford Motor Company be using the Lucid as a benchmark to their vehicles? We will be talking about this and more. Let me just show you this article that I am getting this from. Again, this is from Inside EVs. This article just did come out today. It is titled, "Did Ford Just Buy a Lucid Air to Benchmark Future EVs Against?" There was one Lucid Air spotted at Ford's Dearborn, Michigan facility, posing next to a Mustang Mach-E. So this is the nice, white, beautiful Lucid Air Dream vehicle that we are seeing. These are the wheel size 19 on the Range Edition, which does give it that 520 miles on a single charge, which is right now the longest range electric vehicle on the market. But look at where it is. It is in Ford Motor Company's facility. Now, there is speculation. Who does this vehicle belong to? I don't think it is one of the employees, but let me just show you some pictures that are very telling. So this is a vehicle. It does have 3 people looking at it, but look at how they're looking at it. They are taking notes. This gentleman in the back in the black jacket, he looks like he is writing on either an iPad, taking some kind of notes. Also, this gentleman in the brown jacket also has some kind of device and is taking notes as well. Also, I did want to point your attention to this right here. This area at the front fender on the driver's side is actually where the Lucid Air gets charged. You can definitely see that there is something above and below that opening. It looks like some kind of tape or something to indicate where it is charged. So that also tells me that they are looking and maybe masking and seeing, how does this area work? How does this electrical vehicle get charged? Remember, the Lucid Air Dream can actually charge 300 miles in 20 minutes. It's the fastest charging electric vehicle on the market. I definitely think that they are researching this. So this does indicate these aren't just employees just looking at a car. It looks like they are taking notes. Here in the back, you do see the Ford Mach-E, the first electric car vehicle SUV that Ford Motor Company is making. So again, there are estimates, guesstimates. How did they get this vehicle? Well, you might remember that just a few days ago, we did have a few Lucid Air vehicles pop up on eBay that customers that received the Lucid Air Dream Edition, they were selling this vehicle for more than, I believe it was $200,000 a piece. I think that Ford Motor Company might have bought one of these vehicles just to strip it down, to test it, to test the technology of Lucid Motors. These are my opinions only. But we do see that there are people looking at this vehicle. They are examining it. And we have also seen reports that they are driving it, test driving it, multiple people in the Ford Motor Company looking at this vehicle. Again, This is amazing news because Ford Motor Company is trying to make it really big in the EV market, in the EV space. But what are they doing? They're actually getting the cream of the crop. They're getting the best of the best, which is the Lucid Air Dream. They are seeing this vehicle, breaking it down, seeing the best battery, seeing its best electrical motor, inversion charging system, you name it. I do believe that they are looking at this vehicle to perfect their own product. But this is, again, huge in the EV news, in the EV market, as we do see that they are comparing their vehicles to the top, which is right now Lucid Motors. So very big news to see in this article. There again, these are my speculations only. Go back and read that article, but it does look like they are taking notes, and it looks like they are making it that big benchmark. There are also some people that are saying that this could be just a Ford Motor Company employee's vehicle. It definitely could be, but why would a Ford employee buy a Lucid Air for over, $200,000? I do think that they are studying this vehicle. Very good news for this company. I do believe that Lucid Motors is slowly coming onto the market. Remember that they did have the Motor Trend's 2022 Car of the Year. They have the best technology, the fastest charging system on the market, but very, very good news for Lucid Motors. I did just want to transition and show you the very good news also that we have in its stock. We are starting to see some upward movement. Lucid LCID stock actually went up 5%, which is quite a bit just today alone. They did have a low of about $27.80. After hours, they actually went up over about, looks like, $28.83 was its high. We have had that resistance of $30, but look, in the past 1 week, we are actually up for the very first time at 8.8% upside on this stock. We have tested a low of $26. We still have very important news to come anytime now up until February 21st, we should start seeing the earnings report. They could come out anytime. They have until February 21st to get the earnings report. What we will need to look at in the earnings report are the numbers. Are they producing? Are they mass producing? How much revenue, how much money did they sell in 2021? But most importantly, the production, mass production is going to be key. We also have heard most recently from the Bears Workshop aerial footage of Lucid vehicle in Arizona that they have started producing potentially the Lucid Air Grand Touring, which is the second in line to the Lucid Air Dream. So apparently these vehicles are starting to get on the market, but these big important earnings will give us very big important numbers. In addition to this, a very important thing I'm looking at is how many reservations are there now. The last time we heard was 17,000 reservations. This was, I believe, on November 15th of last year, 2021. But since then, Lucid Air has opened up its reservations to other countries. There are 18 countries, including the United States, in the world that can now reserve the Lucid Air. I'll definitely be very interested to see those reservation numbers. If they are high, which I do suspect they are, this could be a very big catalyst that will move this stock up. Now, again, there are a lot of volatilities coming ahead, and I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know what's going to happen. I am just giving you my thoughts, my opinions on what could potentially happen. So catalysts that could potentially increase the stock and make huge moves in this stock are reservation numbers. If we see reservation numbers that are huge, let's say over 30,000, 50,000, this is going to be a huge catalyst for this stock. People are going to get this good news and just pile in. But there could also be a potential of a downside. If, let's say, that they did not hit their delivery numbers for 2021, let's say that they're burning more cash than expected, this could be downward pressure on this stock, which could bring this stock even lower. But right now, we are still in that volatile zone. I have just made a most recent video. This is the time to accumulate this stock. This is now at a great price. Any of these prices below $30, a steal of a deal, in my opinion. The reason why, let me just show you what the analysts are saying, not what Martin is saying, but what the analysts are saying in this stock. There are 6 total analysts that have reviewed this stock, 2 buy, 3 hold, and 1 sell. But look at the average. If you look at the average price target in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, 43% upside from right now. That is what you need to be looking at. These are Wall Street analysts. They are starting to evaluate this company. They do see a huge upside potential in this stock. But look, in next 12 months, potentially $41. If you're getting this stock right now at $28, even look at these prices, $26. Amazing, amazing deals. Steal of a deal, in my opinion. If we are looking in the past 1 month, we are still down 30.9%, almost 31%. We have tested a resistance at the beginning of the month at $45, but since then we have gone down. It looks like we have a stabilization at right now about $27. We have hit that $26 mark, but again, those earnings reports are going to be the huge key catalyst, either moving this stock up more or down more. It just depends what kind of news we hear. So far, we have not heard any good news. Most recently, this stock has gone down. Let me just also show you, anytime we do see very good news, this stock moves and it moves up fast. So again, going back to October 28th, 2021, right around this time, 27th, the stock was trading $27. The next day, it was announced that they are starting their production, they're starting their deliveries. This stock went up by 36.9% just in a matter of 2 days. So this stock can move, and it can move fast if it has very good news. So I do suspect if we will get very good news, this stock has a huge potential to go upside quite a bit and very fast. If we do have downward pressure, downward bad news, we could go down. I don't think that we will go down too much because we are already at a very good buying price on this stock. So again, these are my opinions only, but very good news. If you like this video, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others, again, so we can continue to grow this channel. But most importantly, I did want to talk to you about now how to get these free stocks that I'm offering. If you go to my page, the Stock Martin page, or any of my videos, if you click on my video, down below, I have to get your free Lucid stock. Click on that link to Moomoo. It'll actually open up this where you can get your free stocks. Right now, if you click on this, open a brand new account, you put in $100 into this new account, you are guaranteed a free Lucid stock. But in addition to this, Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. That is a chance to get $17,500 in free stocks. They are going to give you that free Lucid stock. In addition to this, you're going to get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Now, I did also want to let you know that Moomoo is not available in the UK yet. I have received multiple messages. I am still working on my Moomoo rep to get you free stocks in other countries besides the United States. They are working very hard on that, but I will let you know as soon as possible when this is available. In addition, I do have a link down below to Webull. If you use my Webull link, that can give you 3 free stocks, each valued up to $2,300. Another huge opportunity to take advantage of that link, those free stocks as well. And this is available for all countries because there's a lot of countries that have Webull access. But again, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.